Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to take a look at a 1968 Chevy Big Block 396 SS Chevelle. Very neat, original car. Let's take a closer look. Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at what I would call basically a survivor. This is a real Big Block SS 396 4-speed car. It's original color, original bump hood for an SS, of course, the rally rims. The interesting thing to me that I found was really neat about the car, it's got the bench seat. If you come and look at the inside, you can see it's got the bench seat with the factory 4-speed in it and the factory tack. Just really, I mean, very, very soulful, because this was one of those cars that, you know, the Chevelles were kind of the king of the road in '68. They were right on the top food chain for all the muscle cars. And this one is basically one of those low mileage survivors. Numbers matching engine, even has a vinyl top, which was another option that a lot of people did back in the day. If you go to the back, you can see that it was pretty nondescript, other than in the middle of the trunk area it says SS 396, which meant you got some serious competition here if you're out on the street. Dual exhaust, of course. You know, again, original interior in this car, just a really what I would call a survivor. So if you're looking to find a '68 Chevelle that brings back the memories of what you had back when you were your youth, and that's a 4-speed to boot. Now, the reason I had my '69 Roadrunner, I wanted to have a bench seat because then your girlfriend could sit next to you. She wasn't in the bucket seats far away, so it's one of those cars that if you're looking for a nice survivor, nice history, take a look at our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. We have lots of information, additional pictures, one of our 100+ cars in our indoor showroom. So you can visit all our information at our website, or you can find us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook as well. So take a look. We'd love to see you here in person. We're open Monday through Saturday, 10 to 5. You can come and visit us all year round. We even have heat in our building in January and February, just in case. So come and take a visit. Love to show you around.